My dear people, good afternoon, good evening. In short, if I not can even greet more than of verse. If I not can even greet more than of verse, I beg. I wake up this morning, I just dey come back for work, I never even reach house. Then I see picture begin dey fly for social media. I first see and I said no. This my lovely brother, he was a PRO for my movement, for our movement. Before he come out, can go start was a member of Edo United Association. I say, which kind of be this one? I carry my phone, I dey walk. I begin to call people up and down. Bros, how far? Wetin dey play? Say bros na true, but he never know wetin kill am. Now I say, you sure? Say sure. I say bros, be like say you no understand. Now I carry phone, I call another person. I call reach 5 people. Before I come finally know wetin dey go on. Say yes, this my legend, he don't go. He don't go. He don't go. This word don't balance. This word. It don't balance. It don't balance. It don't balance. It don't balance. It dey pay me. It don't balance. Dr. Oguname, you lose God. You lose God me. You lose God your the people. Dr. Oguname, you lose God us. You lose God us. It dey pay me. They paid me. You come out, you leave children for Germany, you leave everything. Maybe along the process now your wife will tell you, say, no go, more gather day, or more go another place of vacation. So you want to go ask, I go see your people. You want to go ask, you want to go see your people. You not suffer go, secret way, legit way. You go in a big way. At the end of the day, when you for the do gear, that day you for fall. They rush you go hospital now, don't think of survivor. Dr. Oguname, may your soul rest in peace. But if na man, na woman, now you can't change your dance step. Where we say you not can't control yourself, where you can't take fall, bros. Don't let that person sleep, oh. Don't let that person sleep, Baba. I beg. Don't let that person sleep. Wherever you dey, may your soul rest in perfect peace. Dr. Oguname, it don't tell when I feel pain like this, Rich. It don't tell. I feel this kind of pain 2005. When they kill my senior brother, now I feel this kind of pain. Now I feel this kind of pain, Dr. Oguname. But today was my happy day before. But as I begin to see your profile, Dr. Oguname, the life not balance. The life not balance. The way you told the talk to us for meeting that year, bros. I go to remember you, bros. I go to remember you. Ross, the life not balance. I just said that joke. I just said that joke. I just said that true. I just said that true. I said that true. But I never see believe. I see the feel say that dream. Now me myself now I day. I see the feel say man I dream now I day. Many people don't call me. They work and they call people. Bros, how far? You know what happen? You know what happen? You know what happen? So tell people because they ask me, say, are you okay? Are you okay? But I just the beer. May I feel finished. May I feel finished. May I phone come ask. But the life not balance. The life not balance. And with the other people, we need to see this one and learn. We need to learn. Number one, more they take care of our health for Europe. More they try, more see they check our blood pressure. More see they check our temperature and everything. Two, if we still go house, if we your papa and your mama not tell them, do your thing in a low-key way. Not be say, you want to put yourself for danger. Brothers and sisters, I just want to say, you think it touched my soul, it touched me, and I go continue to the remember am. Continue to the remember. He was a member of the foundation of Edo United Association. He was the PRO. Before he can tell us, he don't dey for calling of his spiritual work. Dr. Oguname when he be, he want face his spiritual work. He no use quarrel come out. We not quarrel. We not quarrel. Now peace now it take come out. We see the talk, oh no go talk again. But if they say you did Germany, bros, if you not die. If you not die. I was never so my babinya ya and I tell ade ma am gbe hewe. Wa am gbe hewe. Wa gbo mo ye dede awo nena. Wa gbo mo wala gbe mo dede awo. Wa dede no gogo. I work by 1 week the Dr. Oguname so wa. Last week Friday of the la gogo airport. Ije la muje tuta la gogo. But we have money we gbe. We have money we gbe. Na fi me ya we here. May your soul rest in perfect peace. May your soul rest in perfect peace. One day, me myself with the talk. You go see rich. Nobody will not go die. It's a death that everybody have hold in the bosom of the Lord, that everybody must die. Today, as I cry you, Dr. Oguname, I also cry myself. I also cry myself too. Because there is nothing in this world. Dr. Oguname, if I get any money where I be hide, my brother, this your death show. Say, I go begin go to chop all my money. I no go think about anything again. Because this life, you not get duplicates. You get everything we man they get for life. You get pikin, you get money, you get passport, you get everything. You get house, but everything don't go. Man, may your soul, may God of heaven and earth put you to the best place where you belong. May God give your family, your wife, the strength to take care of the children that you left behind. Father and mother see the train pikin. Still they hard. Talk less sin and only one person can they carry and they go. Dr. Oguname, I never bath. I never eat. I never drink water. Everything when I talk today, all those who fought against you, they will also go. Judge them. Don't allow them to sleep. But if it was really natural death, the way it happened, that there was no hand in it, may you rest in peace. I greet you. But Oguname, we see another time, another word. We go see again another word. Epa yourself. Epa, I be dey call you. I be dey call you, Epa. I be dey call you. My Chemo, I be dey call you. Our PRO don't come out leave us. It was the PRO. I said, Gbelebo. Irame iwe gbe wuto. My car understanding was Zelena. Siego. How do gbe wuto. Dr. Oguname. You lose guard us. Lose guard us. But I not go blame you. I not go blame you. I not go blame you. Because many people call you. May you not even go. But you not go here. But it is well. You are still an hero. So now so. You not die for another man's land. Go die for your great land. No Allah. When I wait till you believe, the religion where you believe, everything you believe on, now you still die put. May God grant you your heart desire. May God grant you, put you in the position where He need to put you. So I greet you. I go live with my other people. I just want to express my feelings. Say yes. Those way they call me, those way they call. I don't hear everything. I don't see them. So, but it be like film. I see the look like I see now film. Maybe tomorrow Dr. Oguname if he come out for live video, come follow us talk, come discuss with us, come say no, I never die, I dey alive. I will be the happiest man on earth. But I want to ask my other people, why is it that anybody now away from Europe go Nigeria go die? I want to ask. Other people want to answer my question. Why it be anybody away from Europe go Nigeria now he go die? If they're not poison them, armed robber go shoot him, or kidnapper go kill him, or he go sleep, he not go wake up. Why? Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey play? This man live in Germany for years, he not die. Never even reach 1 week. Tomorrow, now I go make am 1 week where this man go house. Now we begin the earpiece of the circulate up and down. I be the expert say, na accident or the shooter. I swear, my leg will never step foot on that state again. Yes, because with the Edo people, they are killing their sons that is going to fight for the land. They are killing the great heroes that the land is producing. And those that is doing it, there must supposed to be an end to this issue. That they should leave the children that is going to fight for the land tomorrow. They are killing their sons. They are killing the great ones and leaving the bad ones behind. So my dear people, I greet you now. I greet you now. I greet you now. I greet you now. May God bless every one of you now. Well, now good news you go to hear. Now good news. More they celebrate our life as we did. Or not they celebrate death, you know. So it depend me. The last time I do one video, he inboxed me. Tell me, say my brother, thank you very much. I beg, if you dey free time, we will try, we will talk. I can't call him. He can't tell me, say, he dey busy. He go call me back. Then he can't call me back. I don't already enter class that time. Then I enter class. Then when I come to finish, the time for Germany, it don't dey almost around 11. Now see my head forget on tomorrow I'll call him. So I can't come back and I can't fit call him. I can't fit call him. So now be the last when me with and talk, Chris. Now be the last when me with and talk. We not go talk again. We not go talk again. But everybody will say Dr. Oguname died today. No reason I say Dr. Oguname just die. Think about your own life. Cry for yourself. Tears your tears. That this is the man that you know is just gone. That I'm still living. Think about one day. Now your same picture will also be circulated. But Baba God, this world, it don't balance so. It don't balance. You for do this debt, both of you they buy them. You for do the debt, everybody will find they hustle the money to go buy debts. Not be to go marry, not be to go born pikin. Everybody for go the hustle money. I want to buy my debt first. If you want marry, you first ask the woman, say, you don't buy your debt. If you never buy your debt, you know. Everybody for the hustle money they buy debt. But you know they, what God don't do and say, just suffer. One spend 100 years, you use 85 years and be 65 years, they suffer for inside. For inside they suffer. And even nowadays, no those sons they reach 60 years. No those children they reach 50 years. You know they again. All of them just they die. Who they die for Europe, they die for Europe. What did they play? The way those people say they die. You be like say now war where they Borno State. What did they play for it though? What did they play for it though? I beg. If something day where they take swear for us, may they return up. They see they affect us. They affect us. They kill our children. They affect us. They affect us. They affect us. Man, don't call hustle for it's snow, it's rain, it's everything. May go see family for a live for 4 years, 5 years, you never see them. At the end of the day, if they don't poison her, they go shoot her. If they don't shoot her, they go kidnap her. If they don't kidnap her, they go sleep, you not go wake up. I beg, why do people? I don't want to talk for this issue.